Going on, everyone? Sam here with Leighton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 23-24 Panini Phoenix Basketball Hobby for Dalton P. So good luck here, Dalton. Let's do it, buddy. Yeah, to Series 1, I think the two owners agreed to sell it and split the profit, but yeah, theoretically it would be random. Dalton, 23-24 Phoenix. All right, let's do it, buddy.
Something that big, though, force reaches out.
Yeah, we'll always, if it's like a multi-$1,000 card like that, we'll reach out to the owners before we random it.
If that's what they want to do.
Yeah. Give you guys a couple of options. Jaime Jaquez, rookie. Purple Podjemski, rookie to 150. Chris Murray, Pascal Siakam, Fireforge to 49. For the Pacers. I'm assuming that's when he was a Raptor. Yeah. Game used still, though. That is a Ryan Rupert. The Silva rookie. Ooh, hell yeah. Varian on this auto. Zach Randolph. Zebo.
Oh, hell yeah.
On the stellar signatures. I love it. To 35.
IoT.
Very IoT. And we really got ourselves a game here, dude. Yeah. Wemby on the rookie. And a pink Pau Gasol to 175. I agree, Shipe. It is a pretty good deal. Hunter Tyson, Franz Wagner to 49. On the auto. Congrats, Dalton. Got Devin Booker and a Marvin Bagley to 175 for the Wizards. Scoot Henderson, Donovan Mitchell to 99. And a red Torian Prince to 199. Silver J-Dub for the Thunder. Color Burst is Tobias Harris for the Sixers. And then an orange, Olivia Maxence Prosper to 99 for the Mavericks. Good to go, Dalton. Good luck, buddy. Azar Thompson and De'Aaron Fox on the blue to 35. Let me guess, you have a home run prop on him, Shipe? Shea, nice one there. That is gold to 10, 9 of 10 on the Operation Detonation for the Thunder. And then a Seismic of Peyton Watson to 125. That'll do it for your break there, Dalton. Thanks again for the support, buddy. Get him right out to you, my man.